Now we will be using this data to create a pivot table in Excel to display the number of graduates in each major and the average monthly starting salary for students in each major. So in this file, data have been collected from 111 College of Business graduates on their monthly starting salaries. The graduates include students majoring in management, finance, accounting, information systems, and marketing. And then we can answer some of the questions like what is the greatest number of graduates or which major has the greatest number of graduates. Also, which major has the highest average starting monthly salary and determine the major of the student with the highest overall starting monthly salary. So first, we have to create a pivot table. Okay, so we have to insert. Okay, click on insert from the insert tab. Then create a pivot chart. Then from the table arrange, make sure that we have selected the data from A1 to B112 range. And we will be using the new worksheet for placing our pivot chart. Then click OK. So in our pivot chart fields, we have to drag and drop the major to the row area and then the major and the monthly salary to the values area. Now, let's try to modify this sum of monthly salary by changing the value field settings to average, then click OK. Then we will try to format the average monthly salary in terms of dollars. All right. Okay. So now our pivot table shows that the accounting major has the greatest number of graduates with 28 students. And also, accounting major has the highest average starting monthly salary at $4,020. Now, to show the maximum salary of students, let us have to change the field values from average to max. So we can see that an accounting student has the highest starting salary of $5,650 and we'll try to see on the lowest starting salary and by clicking on any cell in our pivot table. So we'll click on value field settings of our monthly salary by choosing minimum in summarize value field by, then click OK. All right. So we have here, we see that management students has the lowest starting monthly salary at 2,240.